Hello everyone. In the last class we studied about how to factorize a quadratic polynomial. If it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, we studied how to factorize that. Now let us study how to factorize a cubic polynomial. We'll start with the example only. See, first example is factorize x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. So what is my first step? You have to think this is p of x. P of x is equal to, let p of x is equal to x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. Then you have to think of p of 0, p of 1, p of minus 1, p of 2, p of minus 2. Start from the lowest 0, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2. Any one of those values, this 1 will be 0. Start from 0. 0 if you start, see everywhere 0, here minus 120 remains. So I don't touch 0. So let us start with p of 1. P of 1 is equal to 1 cube minus 23 into 1 square plus 142 into 1 minus 120. So 1 cube is 1 minus 23 into 1 square is 23 plus 142 minus 120. Look at this. 1 plus 142, 143 minus 120 minus 23 minus 143. So 143 minus 143, how much? 0. So that means for p of 1, this cubic polynomial is 0. Therefore, p of 1 is 0. Did you all understand? You start from 0. 0 if at all I take just by the look only I can make out p of 0 is not 0 because there is minus 120 is there. Then 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2. Any one of the values, that value will be 0. Then if it is the value is 0, stop it. Now I got p of 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor. Now, I have to divide this by x minus 1. I can do by any method. You know what is long division method. That also you can do. I got x minus 1 is a factor, right? Then you can divide this by x minus 1. When you divide by x minus 1, x cube and x square. Change the sign, minus plus. So x cube minus x cube 0. Minus 23x square plus 1x square minus 22x square. Now minus 22x square. So minus 22x. You get minus 22x square. Minus into minus plus 22x. Now change the sign. 0. 142 minus 22. 120x minus 120. Right? So again plus 120. 120x minus 120. So change the sign minus plus. So remainder is 0. So you got one is x minus 1 as a factor, another one as x square minus 22x plus 120. Now what is your step? You have to factorize this. The sum has to be minus 22, the product has to be 120. 10 12s, correct? X square minus 12x minus 10x plus 120. So x into x minus 12 minus 10 into x minus 12. So you get x minus 12 and x minus 10. Right? This is the factorization of this. So what are the factors of x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120? All these 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, factors are x minus 1, x minus 12, x minus 10. I hope you understood. Now let me teach you one more method to divide this by another method. You need not do the division method. If at all you are comfortable, you do this. I will teach you one simple method that is called synthetic division. Within no time you can finish these steps. What is that? Here x cube is a. So I put how many x cube? 1. Minus 23 x square. So I put minus 23. 142x, 142. Minus 120, I write down as it is, and here x minus 1. So 1 is a factor, right? So I write down here x minus 1. So that I will put here. Now what I have to do is, whatever is here I have to put 1. Next, 1 into this number. 1 into 1, 1. So minus 23 plus 1. You have to add this. Minus 22. Minus 22 into 1 into minus 22. Minus 22, 142. Minus 22, 120. 120 into 1, 120. Minus 120 plus 120 is 0. Here you have to add. So this is the remainder. And this one you see, x cube is divided by x. So you get x square minus 22x plus 120 is the polynomial. Then you can, this is called simple synthetic division method. So it is very simple. I will teach you in another question so you will understand better. So if you do like this, it is very, very easy. You understand? So whenever you do like this, either you can do by the long division method or you can do like this also. Remainder is 0. Then you factorize as usual. You factorize x square minus 22x plus 120. We did the same. And x minus 1, x minus 10 and x minus 12 are the factors. Did you all understand? Let us do some more. All the questions of that exercise also I do so you understand better. What is your next step? See, this is the question from the exercise. Factorize. X cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. 3, 2, 1 constant. Correct? What did I say? You think that this is P of x. P of x is equal to. So I say P of 1, P of 0. P of 0 if you put here, everywhere it will be 0. Is it? 0 cube minus 2 into 0 square here 0 plus 2 it will be. So P of 1 will tell you. What is P of 1? 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square minus 1 plus 2. What is the answer? 1 cube is 1. Minus 2 into 1 square is minus 2. Minus 1 plus 2. 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2. 0. Correct? So is equal to 0. If you add 1 plus 2 is 3. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So answer is 0. Right? Therefore, x minus 1 is a factor. Right? Now what is your next step? You have to divide this polynomial by x minus 1. X cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. You divide by x minus 1. So x cube and x cube divided by x is x square. I have taught you, that is why I don't go in very detail. X square into x cube minus 1x square. Right? So change the sign minus plus. So 0 minus 2x square plus 1x square is minus 1x square minus 6 plus 2. So next is minus x square again. X is there. So minus x. Minus x into x minus x square. Right? Minus into minus is plus 1x. So change the sign plus minus. So you get 0, you get minus 2x plus 2. So you have to get minus 2x. So x square minus x minus 2. So you get minus 2x. Minus into minus is plus 2. Again change the sign, plus and here minus. The remainder is 0. So you have to get the remainder 0, then only your answer is correct. So x square you have to factorize. X square minus x minus 2. The product has to be minus 2. The sum has to be minus 1. So minus 2 and plus 1. Right? So when you do, the product has to be minus 2. The two factors are minus 2 and plus 1. You get minus 1. Right? So you get x square minus 2x plus 1x minus 2. So you get, what do you get? Let me write down x square plus 1x first. X square plus 1x minus 2x minus 2. So x is common, x plus 1 minus 2 is common, x plus 1. So what is remaining? X plus 1 into x minus 2. So what are the factors of this x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2? One is x minus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1 and x minus 2 are the factors. Did you all understand? These are the factors. I hope you can do this method is better. Right? Don't get confused with synthetic division method. I will teach that in a separate chapter. So this one you go like this. So the three factors are x minus 1, x plus 1 and x minus 2. Did you all understand? Let us go to the next question. Your first step is, the question is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. 3, 2, 1 constant. Right? So let p of x. So you see, if I put 0, p of 0 will not be 0. So I try with p of 1. What is p of 1? 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 9 into 1 minus 5. So 1 cube is 1 minus 3 minus 9 minus 5. So you don't get 0. Minus 3 minus 9 minus 12. Minus 12 minus 5 minus 17 plus 1 is minus 16. Then you try for p of minus 1. What is p of minus 1? Minus 1 the whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 the whole square minus 9 into minus 1 minus 1. So you get minus 1 minus 3 into what is minus 1 the whole square is 1 minus 9 into minus 1 is plus 9 minus 5. Now let us see. Minus 1 minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 plus 9 minus 5. So minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 4 minus 5 minus 9. Minus 9 plus 9 is 0. So p of minus 1 is a 0. So x plus 1 is a factor. Since p of minus 1 is 0, x plus 1 is a factor. So what is your next step? You have to divide this by x plus 1. So x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Let us divide by x plus 1. So x cube divided by x. So what do you get? X square. X cube plus x square. Change the sign. Minus minus. You get minus 4x square minus 9x minus 5. Right? So minus 4x. So you get minus 4x square plus minus 4x. Change the sign. Plus, plus. So minus 9x plus 4x is minus 5x minus 5. So you get minus 5. Minus 5x is minus 5x minus 5. Change the sign plus, plus. You get 0. So you have to factorize this. X square minus 4x minus 5. X square minus 4x minus 5 The product has to be minus 5. The sum has to be minus 4. So 5 and 1. 5 and 1. Minus 5 plus 1. So you see minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4. This is product is minus 5. So x square minus 5x plus 1x minus 5. So x is common, x minus 5 plus 1 is common, x minus 5. So you get x minus 5 into x plus 1. So what are the factors? You got x minus 5 and x plus 1. So you got x plus 1 is a factor. So x plus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 5. So what are the factors? X plus 1 the whole square you can say into x minus 5. These are the factors of x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Did you all understand? Yes. Look at the next cubic polynomial x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Let it be p of x. As I said, if I put p of 0, 20 remains. So p of 1 everything is plus 1. Right? Shall we try with p of minus 1? So p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 the whole cube plus 13 into minus 1 the whole square plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20. So you get minus 1 the whole cube is minus 1 plus 13 into minus 1 the whole square is 1 minus 32 plus 20. So you get minus 1 plus 13 minus 32 plus 20. So you get plus 13 plus 20 plus 33 minus 1 minus 32 minus 33. So plus 33 minus 33 is 0. So p of minus 1 is 0. So x plus 1 is a factor. Right? So you have to divide the whole by x plus 1. X cube. Shall I divide? X cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 divided by x plus 1. So what do I get? X cube divided by x is x square. X cube plus x square. Change the sign. Minus minus. So 13x square minus x square is 12x square plus 32x plus 20. So 12x square, so x is there plus 12x. So 12x square plus 12x. Change the sign, minus minus. So you get 32x minus 12x is 20x plus 20. So you have to do plus 20. Am I right? 20 into x, 20x plus 20. Change the sign, minus minus. So your answer is 0. So what happens? X plus 1 is a factor. Another one is 12x plus 20. So x square plus 12x plus 20. It is simple because 10 2's are x square plus 10x plus 2x plus 20. So x into x plus 10 plus 2 into x plus 10. So x plus 10 into x plus 2 is a factor. So what are the three factors? X plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 10 are the factors of x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Am I right? My last question is 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Let p of y is equal. Again if I put p of 0 minus 1 remains. P of 1 let us see. 2 into 1 cube plus 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 1. So 2 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1. So 3 minus 3 0. So p of 1 is 0, therefore x minus 1 is a factor. Right? So what is the next step? Can you tell me? You have to divide this by, this is y minus 1. because it is y, variable is y. Y minus 1 is a factor. So you have to divide this by y minus 1. So when you divide by y minus 1, 2y cube is there. So 2y square into y, 2y cube minus 2y square. So change the sign, minus plus. So you get 3y square minus 2y minus 1. 3y square into y. So 3y square you got. So how do you get 3y square? So you have to get 3y square divided by y is 3y. 3y into y, 3y square minus 3y. Right? Change the sign, minus plus. So you get 3y plus 3y minus 2y. What do you get? Plus y minus 1. So plus 1. Plus 3y minus 2y is plus y minus 1. So y minus 1 and y minus 1. So plus 1. 1 into y minus 1. So y minus 1, change the sign, minus 1 plus. Right? 0. So you factorize this. 2y square plus 3y plus 1. So the product has to be plus 2, the sum has to be plus 3. 2 and 1. The product is 2, the sum is 3. So you get 2y square plus 2y plus 1y plus 1. So 2y is common, y plus 1 plus 1 is common, y plus 1. So what are the factors? Y plus 1 and 2y plus 1. So can you tell me what are the factors of this? Y plus 1, y minus 1 and 2y plus 1 are the factors of 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. I hope you understood how to factorize the cubic polynomial. And I have worked out almost all the sums given. So if you like my video, please share it with others and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.